Melody Magic Kids.
I'm a circle round and bright, rolling, spinning day and night. I can be a ball, I can be the moon. Sing my shape, it's a happy tune. Shapes, shapes, everywhere. Look around, they're here and there. Sing and dance, come along. Learn your shapes with this fun song. I'm a square with 4 straight sides. I look the same no matter the size. Windows, boxes, picture frames. I love playing shapey games. I'm a triangle, count to 3. 1, 2, 3 sides you see. Pyramids and pizza slice. Triangles make life so nice. Clap for circles, spin around. Jump for triangles on the ground. Step on squares, hop, hop, hop. Shapes are fun, they never stop. I'm a rectangle, tall or wide. Doors and books are by my side. 2 long sides and 2 are small. I'm the shape that's used by all. I'm an oval, long and round. Like an egg I can be found. Stretch me here or stretch me there. I'm a shape that's everywhere. Shapes, shapes, everywhere. Look around, they're here and there. Sing and dance, come along. Learn your shapes with this fun song. I'm a star that shines so bright, twinkling, sparkling in the night. Count my points, 1, 2, 3. Stars are magical just like me. I'm a heart so sweet and true, full of love just for you. Valentines and cuddles too. Hearts are special through and through. Circle rolls, square stands tall. Triangle climbs, don't let it fall. Stars will sparkle, hearts will glow. Shapes are everywhere we go. Shapes, shapes, clap and cheer. Sing with friends both far and near. Circle, square, star and heart. Learning shapes is so much fun to start.
Thanks for watching.